Good morning. Thursday, July 16th. And we are going to be continuing our poetry discussion this week. So if you take a look at our daily schedule, I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. Wait, that's not updated. Let's see. Okay, that's better. Okay, so here we go. We're going to make it bigger. So we're going to be doing two Kids Learn pages, both of which you will find in Schoology. So when I see you at Zoom today, we're going to go over page 53 kind of together in real time, going over that together. And then we'll also kind of get started together with page 48. On page 48, you have to write a little poetry. 53, we're reading and answering questions and just kind of discussing. And then, of course, guys, you got to get your 15 minutes of ST Math in. So let me show you. So the first thing I want you to do is coming from page 53. It's understanding poetry. It looks like this. Remember, you have my document here, but this is what it looks like. So here we have the poem. It's also in your workbook, but I typed it up here for you. So it's a quick little poem titled His Story. So we're going to be reading that. And then there are six things here. Number one, you don't really have to write anything. It's just listening. So remember, poetry is all about your imagery, those feelings, those emotions. So you use those senses. So that's what I kind of wanted you to focus on today. So answer this question. Again, we'll be doing this together in Zoom. But yeah, so go ahead. Remember, when you are in Schoology, you have that submit assignment button. You have to do that. Also today, you're going to be writing a little poetry for me. So that is going to be here under writing poetry. So I'll get you started in Zoom today, but it looks like this, where you have to do two small little poems, okay? So one is called a quatrain, and that has 4 lines. Think quad, 4, right? And the second one is a cinquain. Think cinco, right? 5 lines. So in a quatrain, the second and the fourth lines have to rhyme. So if you are stuck with rhyming situation, I have a little link here to Rhyme Zone. You can go here, you type any word that you want to rhyme, and you search, and a whole bunch of words work there. So you can maybe use that to help you with the quatrain where lines 2 and 4 have to rhyme. 3 and 1 and 3, they don't have to rhyme. And it has to be at least one stanza. It could be 2. So I have my example quatrain here. So this coming school year will be interesting. Learning from home might cause headaches. Zoom, Schoology, StudySync, oh my. But don't worry, you have what it takes. So headaches takes, it's not the best, but it's just something I came up really quick yesterday. Now, a cinquain is a 5-line poem. The first word should be maybe your name. The second line is 2 words that describe you. The third line is 3 action verbs, something you do. And 4 is just a feeling, so, about that subject. And then the last line is a synonym. So I have Miss Bankston, busy, determined, explaining, filming, grading, wishes to meet students. That's 4 words, and then teacher. So what I have for you here is all of your names. So you are going to find your name, and underneath your name in the little box, you're going to type your quatrain poem on this side and your cinquain poem here. So that's what I want you to do. Okay, so obviously I'll go over all of that again with you when I see you in Schoology. And then don't forget your 15 minutes of ST Math. Okay, that's about it. See you at 10:15.